chopping wood. But yeah, don't expect too much from this video. If you're seeing this right now, I'm headed to the cruise, so see y'all when I get back. Hey, how y'all doing today? Welcome back to RVOA. Today, got a little fireside chat, obviously. The fire not really going yet, but we're gonna get her going. I'm gonna start the video off by asking you a question. And be honest now. Do y'all use lighter fluid to start y'all fires? To be honest, usually I use a natural fire starter, and I try to get kindling. There we go. Yeah, I think this is gonna be a little slow burner, but when we get her, we'll get her. Summer pretty much over, y'all. It's fall now. I don't know if it's fall yet, but it's coming. It's coming. Y'all ready for pumpkin spice lattes and color changing leaves? I'm excited. RV life slows down tremendously in the winter, so it's pretty much gonna be all renovation come winter time. Campground gonna die down a lot. I'm excited. There we go, she building. You gotta be patient with the fire, man. See too many people who be ready to throw that lighter fluid on and just keep on pumping it. You gotta give her a chance. To be honest, I don't think there's gonna be a fireside chat. Well, yeah, probably gonna be a fireside catch up, maybe. Kind of just sit, talk a little bit. By the way, I know I didn't get you guys a video, but I did test out the air compressor and it does work, which is awesome. For $10, an air compressor that works is like the craziest steal ever. Bro, did 2024 fly by to y'all? Is that not like... It's pretty nuts, huh? Oh my. I feel like this year just came and went before I could even realize what was happening. Woo! There she is. Got a solid base burner, and we can start adding wood and it'll become our coals. Just a little more to make sure it's burning even. There we go. I'm gonna run this out and make up. There's gotta be a bevy real fast. Can you watch the fire till I get back? I'll appreciate it. Oh wow, she got huge. Why y'all didn't tell me? Had to go grab my drink, so I got a little Smirnoff whipped cream with a little sparkling white grape. Still covered in ice, man. Fantastic. Got a lid just to keep the bugs out. Keep the bugs and the ashes out. That's the bevy. I don't know what caused the video to end. Maybe it happened when I moved the camera a little. Are y'all excited for my cruise? I'm excited, but I'm wondering if y'all excited to see the content that's gonna come from it. Probably it's gonna be very much different from my element, so it's gonna be interesting. I know a lot of people who are like RV lifers or campers say they can't do cruises because you're like trapped on a boat technically. But I mean, it don't sound like being trapped to me. It's only like a week, 5 days usually. I'm excited. I need a vacation. Life been busy, been a busy, hectic summer. I could use it. Have you got a vacation this year? Do you have a vacation planned this year? When the last time you treated yourself? That's the real question. I think you deserve it. Trust me, for everybody who's saying like, play the guitar. I ain't good yet. Leo asked me yesterday, do I even know how to play guitar? And I'm like, no, I don't. Newsflash. You just come in.
Am I ruining the take?
No.
Where do you want?
I don't know, wherever you want. Wherever.
Yeah, unless you actually like put the thing in there, that's what
Yeah.
I'll get heat damage.
Sick. Perfect.
I had a Band-Aid on because I realized I was bleeding. And like right when I got in the car, and I'm like, why does my hand feel wet? I thought I wiped all the barbecue sauce
Would you
off.
cut, you
and
cut
like,
it?
I just cut like this little part because I like scraped it against something. I gotta get that humidifier ready for you. I keep looking at it. I have it on my desk just to like remind myself, and I look at him like, not yet.
I like how yours sits right on your leg. That's what LaCourtney was saying too. Be graceful. Be gentle. As y'all know, I don't know how to play one. I'm a trumpet player. I got clips of those, but